Welcome to Gzip. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we will learn how to read and write compressed data files in Python. To write data in a file, we can use Gzip and bz2 modules, which make it easy to work with such files. Both modules provide an alternative implementation of Open that we can use for this purpose. So let's see an example. First, we are going to write data with the gzip compression. This will be import, and we are going to do with gzip dot open. And here we are going to pass in some file name, my file dot gz, and we are just going to write in a text mode. You can use a binary mode too, and if you want to use a binary mode, uh, you can use WP instead of WT. So here we are writing a text, and we are going to do f dot write, and we are going to write some text. Python programming. Same you can do. It's kind of similar if you want to do easy too. So you need to import bz2. With bz2 dot open, and this will be a file such as my file but this time it is an extension of bz2, with wt f dot write, and we are going to write hello world. Now we are going to read a gzip file. Uh, this will be with gzip dot open, and we're going to use the same file name, and now we are going to open this one in read mode. That's why we added R and T for text. So read mode in text as F, and we are going to read into some text variable, and we're just going to print this text to console. So when we run our code, we are able to write and read from our compressed files. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Awesome Code, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.